Today I'm going to show you how to find a company's financial ratios and corresponding industry ratios. We'll be using a database called Mergent Intellect, which is accessed through the Columbus State Library website. Let's start by opening a web browser. We recommend using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. I'm using Safari on a Mac. Click on the browser icon to open it. Once the browser is open, click in the address bar at the top of the page and type the Columbus State Library's address, library.cscc.edu. After you finish typing, hit enter on your keyboard and go to the library's website. When the library's homepage opens, click on the Find Books and Articles option in the navigation bar at the top left of the page. Now select Databases from the drop-down menu. Once you're here, you can find Mergent Intellect alphabetically under the letter M. Scroll down the results and select the link for Mergent Intellect. If you're off campus, you'll now be asked to log in using your last name and Cougar ID number. Now that we're on the Mergent Intellect homepage, let's find our company. First, we need to locate our company's NAICS code because we'll need this 6-digit number to complete our research. Today, I'm researching the Kroger company, so I'm going to type their name into the main search box and press enter. Let's scroll down a bit and locate our company from the records found. Be sure to pay extra attention here not to select branches or single locations. Look at the location type results and hover over any symbols to learn more. By hovering our cursor over the first result's globe symbol, we see that this is the global ultimate parent. This is what we're looking for. I'm going to click on that company name link to take a closer look. Here on the Kroger company page, we find all sorts of useful company info by clicking through the tab links at the top. However, right now we're going straight to the Industry Details tab so we can find our company's primary NAICS code. Right away, we see the Kroger NAICS codes listed in the left column. Since Kroger has multiple business segments, we also see secondary NAICS codes. For our search today, we're just going to work with the primary code. Let's jot down that 6-digit number because we're going to plug that code into our search for key ratios. 445110. Now that we've acquired our company's primary NAICS code, we're going to return to Mergent Intellect's main page by clicking on the home link at the top of the web page. From the home page, let's scroll down a bit and click on the Key Business Ratios icon. Once this page loads, click on the Ratios link in the top right-hand corner. Look at the gray Ratios box on the left-hand side of the page and click the link for company. Type your NAICS code into the search box and click the corresponding code from the drop-down box. Be sure to adjust your company type if necessary because the default search setting is for private companies. Since Kroger is publicly traded, I'm going to click on the company type box and select Public from the drop-down menu. Our results will automatically update and are listed alphabetically. So now we can scroll down until we see our company and select it from the list. Be sure to look at the year column to select the most recent report. The first page we're taken to is the company's balance sheet. To find ratios, click on the Ratios link in the dark gray box at the top right of our report. Here we have our ratio analysis presented as a table. Scroll down to view the entire report, which includes gross margin percent, quick ratio, current ratio, and more. If we're looking for leverage ratios, pay attention to the debt to assets, debt to equity, and debt to capital ratios. To compare our company ratio findings with industry reports, let's scroll back to the top of our page and look for the gray reports box on the top left-hand side. Click the link for industry. We'll have to plug our NAICS code back into the appropriate search box and click the corresponding code from the drop-down box. Now we can examine our industry's ratio data as necessary. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at library.cscc.edu.